need these anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and deconstruct these for mechanical parts, of course. Forgot that there were these extra gas pumps in the back. And notice that these ones are somehow not fully repaired, so let's go ahead and repair those. I wonder what happens when you deconstruct a dumpster. What would you get out of that? We can deconstruct its car too, because it's just a frame now, so it's like, who cares? Just get rid of this, taking up space. Oh, another wheel! Yay, we got wheels! Oh god. Well, I mean, now that we got these wheels, I guess we don't really need the other ones anymore, huh? Decomposing backpack. Okay, so jump over these. Ow! That hurt. Okay. Hey, here's more bike, or here's more wheels. Didn't give us anything though. Foul trash. Any more wheels around this area? No, I don't think so. Let's deconstruct this car, because I don't think we have an engine, and we need an engine. That's what we're missing. Got a headlight. Got springs, oil, electrical components, I think. Do we have an engine, actually? I don't know. I don't remember. We do for sure have an engine, but it's in our auger, and we don't have a, we didn't read an auger schematic yet, so we can't take the engine out of the auger. Otherwise I would have definitely done that. But oh, nice, we got an engine from this one. Oh, I forgot the torch that was there. I accidentally destroyed it because, you know, put it on top of it. And that's actually a pretty decent quality engine too. So that's good. Deconstruct this. Hopefully it can give us another engine. Yay, it did. Alright. Alright. Okay. There we go. Oh, some more bike, for some more wheels over here. Didn't give us anything. We're not going to deconstruct this car yet, because, if we... Should we? Yeah. Let's do it. Because it's not like, we're going to really need it. Because we already have a lot more traps built, so all we need to do is take tomorrow or the day after tomorrow to just set them up around the base. So we can just go ahead and deconstruct this. I don't think we got an engine from this one. There is also another car out there somewhere, I think. Yes, over there. I don't think it's a full car, though. I think it's just a car frame. Okay. Alright. Oh, nice. Two pretty good quality frames there. Gonna scrap that. Iron iron pipes, mechanical parts. Now we can make ourselves another workbench. Workbench. Wood, we've got everything except for forged iron. We need 15 more forged iron. Favorites, 15. Craft steel. We'll also favorite this, just so that we can, ease of access. The springs, oil. Again, we don't really need oil, but I guess we'll keep it here anyway. Just because you never know if we'll need it again. Headlights, leather. Actually, that's the wrong one. Gas, the engines. We'll keep the weaker engine here, and we'll put the stronger engine inside. Oh, nice. These are actually grown now. Okay. So, 3 of these. 3. Oh, nope. Not all of them. I accidentally ate one too. Take the corn seeds. Pretty sure yeah. These 2 layers should be fertilized, so I think I'm good. Perfect. Cool. Couldn't have gotten any better. Potato, potato, potato. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Okay. Workbench. What do we need? Yes, a claw hammer. Take one of these claw hammers. Take the forged iron. Put the clay in there. And now we can make ourselves a workbench. Cool. Okay. So mechanical parts, put back in here. Brass. Because we did scrap a brass radiator. And, okay, let's head down there. Oh, here's another one. Nope. Okay. Any wheels in these little pits here, whatever? No. Oh, didn't want to do that. Nope. Not that either. Okay. So wheels. We'll just scrap these. What did he give us? For some reason, if you scrap mini bike wheels, they give you armor back. Or not armor, iron. I don't understand why, but that's how that's the game's logic. Don't look at me. And our shopping basket. Actually, we need gas too. So take this gas with us. Head down here. And voila! We have ourselves a nice bike. The only problem is we can't move it because it's not filled up yet. So we have to do this. So basically what I'm doing is when I go up to the bike, if you just tap E, the game just puts you into the bike. But if you hold E, it gives you like the scroll wheel. Basically, it also does that with anything else in the game. Like just pressing and holding E on anything, any interactable item, you just open up this this menu. Most things are kind of like this cooler, where if you press and hold E, it only gives you one option, and that's just to search it. But some items or some entities are kind of like this mini bike, where if you hold E, it brings up this kind of command wheel, where you have a lot of these options to choose from. So this top one is basically just to drive it. So like that, you get in it basically. If you go here, it's your inventory. So you can go here, and this is your mini bike storage right here. If you go here, it's to repair it, but in order to repair it, you need to either have repair kits, or you like gun parts, for example. You can just take out individual parts, repair those, and put it back in. This is the gas. This is just the hot option to refuel it. So if I do this, it refuels the gas a little bit here. It's about 16% or so every 250 units of gas, as you can see. Blah 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 blah. And there you go. It's up to 60%. And finally, this one is just to honk the fucking mini bike, just because. There's no reason for it, but you can honk your bike anyway. It's pretty funny. So now we have ourselves an actual mini bike, which is exciting because now we don't have to run around anymore, run around everywhere anymore. So that's great. Tallow's done. Put the tallow in there. Throw the iron in there. Take the forged steel. Let's see. We can make steel tools again. So make 2 more fire axes. What else do we not have? We already have a backup pickaxe, so we don't need to make another. I wonder if you can make a steel sledgehammer, or maybe you can only make iron ones. I don't know. Who knows? Ah, crap! I accidentally used up my my good wrench for the workbench. Fuck! Mistakes were made. It doesn't matter. We've already got another 200 wrench here, anyways, so not too bad. So now that we've got 3 workbenches, that's pretty much the limit of how many I really want. So we can just go ahead and use up the rest of these wrenches and combine them. I don't really feel like scrapping them, because I do kind of want a good wrench. So we'll just go ahead and do this. And voila. Got ourselves a good wrench. Claw hammer, wrench, and nail gun. Okay, so we got all these hunting knives. We'll just combine like these 4. There we go. There we go. So we have 2 hunting knives. Oh, ran out of fuel. Forged iron, we'll keep like a stack of like 50 in here. Still making those. Those are growing over there. How are the mushrooms going along? The mushrooms take a long time to make, I think. Got some more fertilizer here. So grab these. Okay. So we got this first row completely fertilized. Come back here, put this stuff away. Forged steel, we can just leave there. Military fiber down there. And, yeah. Good stuff. Okay. Let's see, let's check our stuff here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, we can just do this. 7, 8, 24, 23. And we can just make it 24. So we're going to spam stone axes again. 24. Nice. Got another fire axe. Leave it in here, I guess. Nah. We'll just scrap this one. Fuck it. We'll just scrap that one, and then we'll just use this right away. Or actually, I don't know, this gives us a lot of iron back. I was considering just combining this with the steel fire axe, but it's like, well, how much will it really increase the quality? So, whatever, we'll scrap it. Look at all these stone axes. Alright. So what else do I want to do? Right, we need to eat and drink. First, we will get rid of these jars of honey by eating them. Okay. Put the jars away. Put that away now. And bottled water. There we go. And now we shall scrap all of these. Whoops, didn't mean to equip that. Scrap and scrap. Scrap, scrap. The boostings! The boosting! Okay, I still have my miner's helmet on. I wonder if you can control how strong your flashlight is, or control how strong the flashlight in your miner's helmet is by improving the quality of the flashlight that it has. Let me check. Can you disassemble this? No, you can't, unfortunately. Because it does seem pretty fucking dim. To be honest with you. Alright. Craft more stone axes. Skills, where is it? Toolsmithing, right? Yeah, toolsmithing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our skills again. So we've maxed out Run Forest Run. We've got 37 points. We can max out Quicker Crafting. We can't get Sexual Tyrannosaurus yet because we need more athletic skill for this. Yeah, level 60. We're only at 50 right now. Get another skill in a Knife Guy. May as well. What else here? What is the next requirement for Quality Joe? Scavenging level 60. Okay, so that's not for a long time. So, whatever. We could have gotten concrete mixing, but we don't really. I don't feel the need to get concrete mixing now. Health nut. We could get health nut, but again, we don't need it now. Survivor, we're gonna hold off on that, obviously. Yeah, we'll max out Quicker Crafting. Why the hell not? Alright, let's go ahead and scrap that, take the fire axe, put the spare fire axe in here, and now we'll start scrapping everything. I really wish there was like a hotkey for this, to just scrap all your shit. Or scrap the ones that you want. Whoops. Okay. And now we shall craft even more stone axes. Yeah! This is how you boost, whatchamacallit, toolsmithing. By doing nothing but spamming stone axes and then scrapping them all. What I do need to do, though, is to make another crossbow. So, leather, glue, duct tape. We need more reinforced iron, I believe. Put that there.